take my all? I keep fighting, but I surrender. I said, won't you take my all? I keep making the same mistakes, Lord, I can't.
Okay, so I have my chicken here. Now I'm going to add about okay, so I have my chicken here. Now I'm about to add some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you like. Just gonna use like a spoon like this. That should be enough. I don't want too much because it burns when you put it like in the pan for it to fry a little bit. So I add that, and then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger. See, and then 2 teaspoons of masala. And I use this. I got this from King Soopers. I tried to go to Walmart and get it, but they didn't have it. Walmart sometimes their like seasoning section doesn't really have it. Especially the one by our house. Like, everyone goes there, so. Okay, 2 tablespoons. I don't really use this when I season chicken, but sometimes you just gotta use the instructions, especially because I've never made this before. But once I actually making the actual like soup or fry or whatever, taste it and see what I need to add. And then 1 teaspoon of cumin. I've used cumin before. Cumin is really good, especially when you're using making like a taco. It's pretty good. I like the smell of it, and sometimes like chicken too. Use a little bit. And then a half teaspoon of turmeric. And then I'm gonna do a full teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I want it to be spicy. It says half, but cayenne pepper doesn't really burn, so. And then a teaspoon of salt. And I'm using the Himalayan sea salt. So then you're gonna want to mix it all together. Mix it all together. Okay guys, so it's later now. It's like 5 o'clock. And the chicken is marinated. It's marinated for like 4 hours. It says to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes, but the longer it marinates, the more flavor it has. So Sarah stays at home. She said she was going to a couple stores today. So. Here, I started on the rice. It's being made right now. I wish I had the scoop that we usually use at home, but we don't. We have these, and then the new ones aren't that good, so. Okay, so guys, now I finished with the chicken. Now I'm going to add the onions. I don't know, I think I want to do another onion, I'm not sure, but because this is a lot of chicken. And we have small onions, so yeah. Go ahead and add. And it's onions, habanero pepper, and a little bit of tomatoes. Since in the recipe they use tomato paste. I have tomato paste here, but we had extra tomatoes, so I just used it. A little bit more avocado oil. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and then add you add butter, garlic, ginger, masala, cumin, basically the same thing you added to the chicken. And then you start seasoning with salt and pepper. I probably might do seasoned salt, or we got this new seasoning called adobo. It's not new, a lot of people use it, but we usually just use seasoned salt. But I don't know. Just based on how it tastes.
Because they have different sort of broth. Because, oh, like, yeah, the one you're looking at will be on this wall, and I go to the wall. And they have a whole bunch of different ones. I'm like, okay. And I, like, make sure to, like, look at the price to make sure the original price is the same.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. And I saw a green one, so I was like, oh, this could match.
Okay, so I have the sauce right here. Just follow the instructions. You guys download it. I'm about to add chicken now, and then I'm gonna let it simmer for maybe about 10 minutes. I will say it's good. It tastes similar to the one I tried, but it's much more spicier, which is what I like. Because this is, if you don't really put spice in it, I feel like it tastes like just tomato, like tomato soup, with like a little bit of like a turmeric and like curry kind of feel. But when you add like peppers to it, I think I like it with peppers. So I'm gonna let that simmer for 20, maybe 30 minutes just to make sure it's done good. And then I have the rice that you're supposed to eat with. And I think because it's like soupy, so it's good when you eat it with like bread and stuff. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow me and Sam will go get some of the naan. But like we usually get it from Sam's Club because they carry it there. I don't know what other store carries it. I don't know if Trader Joe's does, but we'll see. Just depending on if she wants it to try with bread or not. When I tried it, it was with kind of like a chip. Like it was like a bread, but it was very thin and like chip-like. But either way, I think the main purpose is to eat it with rice. But I don't know if it says the type of rice you're supposed to. I don't think so. Rice. I don't see the rice. The type of rice, but I believe that's how you're supposed to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna link the recipe down below. It's really good. And I'm gonna try and ask my friend Yasmina how to make the bread because she knows how to make it. Because she's from Morocco and she's always making bread. So I'm gonna ask her how to make it. I should have asked her before, but I forgot. So I'm gonna ask her. But here's how the final product looks. Sina's gonna do a taste test for me. But she's never tried it before. Yeah.
Lord, may this food be nourishment to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. A little piece of chicken.
Oh my gosh, Sandra.
No, there's just like a little piece of chicken. I'm trying to get everything in it. It's good. It's different.
It is different.
I'm not used to this type of
flavor.
But it's good.
That's how it was first. I was like, yeah, it's good, but I made sure to add a little bit more like spice to it.
Yeah, we're used to like spice.
Yeah. Yeah, Tori had the audacity to say it reminds me of pan butter. This is not pan butter at all.
Oh, he's Italian?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Buttered chicken. Maybe the consistency, but I don't know. But it's made with like marsala, like the thing I bought, like a lot of like the Indian spices, turmeric, cumin, ginger. So yeah, she said it's good.
You didn't start yet, right?
There we go. I
don't like cumin rice, you know that. I don't see the big difference. It feels like the same way in the restaurant.
No, the restaurant wasn't as spicy.
Oh yeah,
the one I tried.
About like, the taste.
The actual taste. Yeah, it tastes like buttered chicken, but I added a little bit more spice.
Yeah, let's eat. Yeah, come on, let's eat. Yeah, come on, let's eat. Come on, let's eat. Yeah, come on, let's eat.